Alright guys, so I'm here in the Quail event at Monterey Car Week. Let's do a quick walk around and see some highlights. This is one of the most exclusive events around the world, and wow, a Bugatti EB110 in blue, the Ferrari F40, a Diablo, Countach. These are some of the rarest cars you'll see. These are all shipped from around the world and be in one place, the Quail event. And this guy just chilling there. They have all these weird things around. And guys, got the Huayra BC over there. And not only one Zonda R, but 3 of them right here. 3 Zonda R's at this event. Actually, 4. 4 guys, 4 of them. And we got the Huayra R on the stage right here. Nice. This is one of the best selling cars that you'll ever hear. And look at this.
We know that many of our guests drive some fantastic cars to the event, so we wanted to take the opportunity to
look at that blue carbon fiber.
This is a purely subjective.
Looks so good in the sun.
You who parked here on property have the chance to enter your car just by driving onto the parking lot.
And we have Mr. Pagani Horatio Pagani. The Huayra Tricolore version of it. Very cool. And we have a Huayra BC Roadster right here, and the Huayra Imola. Nice.
It's good.
Pagani makes one of the most beautiful cars in the car industry. Koenigsegg Jesko, Mr. Koenigsegg himself right there, and the Koenigsegg Absolut right there.
I'm gonna share.
Yeah, those are
all the way from Florida, guys. Got the Monza SP2 right there. A couple Ferraris. That is cool. There we have Mr. Horatio Pagani. Yo guys, that girl literally has a lizard lizard on her neck, on her shoulder, sorry. Got Mr. Murray. Here we have the Maserati MC20, the LP640 Murcielago, Countach, the Monterery SV, Countach, even got private helicopters just landing and bringing people in and out. Got the 177 Aston Martin over there. The Porsche 959. Couple STOs. And here we have the Spiker. Very cool. The Spiker C8 Spider. A Huayra Roadster. A Lamborghini Murcielago SV. Couple Ford GTs here. Yellow, the red, gold livery one. Nice. And here we have the Hispano Luisa. Look what this is. Wow. What a car. The entire car just opens up like this. There's even screens right there. What a crazy car this is. There are just so many people and so many cars. Got a few Audi concept cars.
I haven't seen this guy.
Seen this one last year. And this year they brought out this and this. The Cadillac Project GTP hypercar. That is pretty cool. And this is the 2004 Saleen S7R. Pretty cool. Setting records in this. $300 SL. Scuderia 16M. Lovely, lovely car. Couple Formula One cars. It's the Red Bull F1, the McLaren one, the Ferrari F1, Schumacher's F1, Wow, from old to new. Look at the color on this Maserati MC20. The Huracan Technica Urus Performante.